I tell you this because I know it. I am not speculating. I am not theorizing. I am telling you what I know from experience. You and I are more one than the fingers of your body. We are truly one being. There is only one being in the world. Call it Jesus the Christ. Call it God. Call it any name that suits you. That oneness, that's what we are. When the poet said, hold fast with both hands to that royal love, which alone, as we know certainly, restores fragmentation into true being. You hold to that with all of your might, for in the end you'll discover that you and I are one. Without loss of identity, we are one. Now I'll show you how I know it. The story as told in the Gospel is the everlastingly true story, but not as the world sees it. We have mistaken these eternal states of consciousness for persons, and they're only personifications, and we have taken the personification for the person. The spiritual states of the soul are all eternal. Distinguish between the man and his present state. We are the pilgrim, passing through states from the beginning to the end. The climax of the states is called in Scripture Jesus Christ. Learn to distinguish between the man, the pilgrim, moving through states, and the state he is in at that present moment. For he is passing through these states in the form of a dream. He is dreaming this world. You and I must dream the dream of life. And it seems so solidly real and so completely independent of our perception of it. Yet the whole is a dream. And we are passing through these states. The states are permanent, but we are the pilgrim, passing through the states.